Hello everybody, and it's Ian, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a tuna sandwich. And this video is simply easy. It's not like hard, because if this is like your first time making a tuna sandwich, well, this is your lucky day, because I can help you making a tuna sandwich easily. Alright, so what you need is tuna. Any tuna will do. A bowl. Any bowl will do, um, but you can't use like one of these baby like plastic plates, cause those plates will not help. A spoon, a spoon will do, but it can't be like one of the fancy like these fancy spoons, cause if you want to stir the tuna, you have to use like one of these or the regular spoon that you have, or America has, and a tuna and a can opener, then mayonnaise, and last but not least, bread for the so you can put the tuna in. So let's get started. So what you want to do is I'm going to turn the camera. Sorry. Whoop. Whoops. Oof. All right. Sorry. So what you want to do is get your tuna, get your can opener, and what you want to do is do this. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I'm nervous when I record. So I'm trying my best not to get nervous and saying like a lot. So you do this and squeeze it hard for it to stick into the tuna to the middle thing. And you do this. Like it can be like a electrical can opener, but if it's like, but let's say this, like if it's like right there, like right here, it can like right here, the tuna can like fall and can make a fat mess. So if I were you, I I would have got a plate to place it in if it drops or not. And yeah, so once you opened it, you take the can opener away and you put it in the sink, because that's all done. You want to squeeze the tuna, and make sure to use with water, because you do not want your sink to smell like tuna. All right, let me put my water. And then I'm still squeezing, because yeah, sorry. Alright, so once it's like done, but if a little bit of tuna comes out, well, that's okay. But if you like continue doing this and water, if you continue like pouring it and you put water, it's gonna take like plain water with tuna. So that's not gonna taste good. And also, I don't know if I said it or not, but if the tuna fails, it's okay. Because you still have tuna inside it. Alright, so once you done with the tuna, like spilling the tuna water in, you gotta get your spoon, and you want to do is do like this, and a little bit of tuna will come out when you do that. And be careful, because this thing is sharp, and you have it like if you do it like hard, you have a chance to cut your hand or your finger. Yeah, so next what you want to do is like do this, or put it down as chili, like beans. Beans. Alright, then I'm just doing this, but you can do it in circles, or you can like scoop it down like ice cream. And make sure the tuna dispense inside the can. Make sure the tuna can has no tuna, because you may never know if there's like tuna in the tuna can. Oh shoot. Alright. Alright. Once it's like empty, you put in the trash. Excuse me. Then next one you want to do is get your mayonnaise from the fridge, but if it expires, then you get a new one. But I don't. But the tuna doesn't expire so short because the tuna lasts longer than any tuna like tuna, like any kind of like company that makes tuna with it. It lasts longer than any kind of any food. Like if you get like, I don't know what's the shortest one, but if you get like the shortest, like the food that you like, but the lifespan's like this long, like from August to October, that's like the shortest one. But I don't know what food or drink is the shortest. Alright. What you want to do is get like a spoonful of mayonnaise. Then then you pour it, you do this for the tuna to get in. Then you want to do is put your mayonnaise back because you're done with that. And next is you want to stir the mayonnaise and the tuna together. So I'm stirring mine. And make sure all the mayonnaise is with the tuna. And don't worry, because if you have like hard time hearing, that's okay because I'm gonna put closed captioning on you guys, so you guys can see look at the closed captioning and what I'm saying. So be right back, guys. I'm ready to turn on the lights. Alright, so I'm still continuing stirring my mayonnaise with the tuna. Alright, so oh yeah. So once it's done, like once all the mayonnaise is gone, you want to do is get your bread, like two breads, like two of these, any bread will do, but yeah, any will. Why was hamburger in there? Any will do. Like if you like your bread toasted or non-toasted, like if you guys aren't like if people are non-toasted, then you want to do is like grab your plate, get the bread like this, as so, like this. Then what you want to do is get your mayonnaise and you scoop it down like any kind of bread, and you like squeeze it hard so the bread won't slip out. But I'm toasted, so like if you guys are toasted, like if one of you guys are toasted people, what you want to do? Oh shoot! All right, be right back. Alright, so once, I know you can't see it, but sorry. Like, if you guys are, toasted people, what you want to do is, what you want to do is move this into the half of one into half, half one, almost one half or two halves. It's like one half of a fraction. Then if you unplugged it, trying to say energy and power, that's okay because that's good for lighting, save power for your house. And you plug it in, then you toast it. Alright. Alright, once you're waiting, you can play with your phone or talk with your friends until it's done. So be right back, you guys. Alright, back. So once your bread is done, what you want to do is grab your bread. You can grab a glove. I hope it can't be dirty, or the bread will not be good. So you want to do is unplug it or leave it in if you unplug it if you want to save power. Then once you got your bread ready, got to turn off the light. Alright, back. So once you're done toasting it, you want to do is do this. You don't have to do this, but you can do it if you want to. But I'm just doing it though. Once you're done, what you want to do is get your bread, other bread, like get your bread like this, and you do this and squeeze it hard if you want to, but I squeeze it hard, so then you're all done, and you can put your bowl inside the at the sink, in the sink I meant, and voila, and that's how you make a tuna sandwich, homemade tuna sandwich. Like if you like, one sec. Like if you are like cut it like here or half, well that's okay. That's still like a tuna sandwich. So yeah, so make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below if you joined this video and this video was helpful. And make sure to subscribe because my goal is to reach to 100, and if I make to 100, then I'll make a shout out to 5 people. Like if I make it to 95 and I make it to 100 plus 5 subscribers, then I'll make them give them a shout out to those 5 people that made my goal. Alright guys, hope you have a nice day. Goodbye, everybody.